Using sleep mode to save battery lifetime. To get into battery saving mode, press the corrector button with a little pin, which comes with every watch, for 9 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. The watch will turn to 8 minutes past 10 and 32 seconds. And the date will also slowly adjust to 25. All Mega watches we send from Schramberg in Germany will arrive in the sleep mode to save battery lifetime. The lithium batteries last for approximately 2 years, but if you display the watch in the shop window, if you want to store the watch, or if you want to take professional pictures, we recommend to get into this sleep mode. To release the saving mode, you simply press the corrector button for 1 second. Doing this now. The watch will immediately start to adjust to the stored time, which might be the German time. If you need to change the time zone, please follow this section.